Okay, I'm going to try to do a video to show you how to use Word Online to type math that is acceptable. I don't like handwritten math. I'm going to open a new document. There are a couple of add-ins to the online that you can do. I kind of already have them in, but I'm going to show you how to get them. You want to insert Office add-ins. I've got these two. These are the two that you want. So you're going to go to Store and you're going to type math and search. This was one of the ones that you want to add, and it goes kind of in here and uses this. The other one that you can do, and this is the one that is more of handwriting that converts it, which is very difficult to me to do because it doesn't give you enough, and I don't have a touch screen computer, so it makes a difference. This is my script math right here. I'm going to add it, and it goes in right here. You see I already have it. All right, first let's use the FMath editor, and you're going to kind of type down here. It just kind of defaults to this quadratic formula here, and you can get rid of that. You want to keep this box though, and let's just say that we were going to type, I wanted a fraction. I'm going to put the fraction in the top of the fraction up here. I'm going to type x plus 7 in the bottom. It went in like that. That's not what I wanted. So I'm going to change the bottom to x minus 8. You may have to manipulate these things a little bit more than you wanted to. Okay. Now, it looks ugly. You insert it into the document, and it cleans up some of that. That did not clean up that bottom, the top X like it should have. Let's see if we can take it out and put it back in and see if it looks any better. Okay, it did. So I take that one out and I would insert it. You kind of got to have to play with it. This is a new instrument for me. This is like for exponents. This is for radicals, different kinds of things. That's your trig. You don't really need that, but there are a few things. There's your pi you can do with that. That's the way that one works. Okay, if we go back to, I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'm going to back on the home. I'm going to show this one. This one does some math. You just simply write. So if I was going to do that same thing, I'm using my mouse to do this. And it has to pick up your handwriting, so sometimes it doesn't like my handwriting. Okay, and we'll hit upload. And that's it right there. You probably would need to make it a bigger font if you could. I don't know that you can, but it's better than a handwritten document. Now, I like a table format for things to be in, where the left side is the work and the right side is the expression. And I'll just review setting up a table real quick. Go to Insert Table. You need 2 columns. It doesn't matter how many rows, but you need 2 columns. put your math over here and put your explanation over here. If you need more rows, if you're right at the very end down here, you should be able to, well, let's just say we filled that up. We came down here. You just keep returning is what happens with the regular word. It doesn't seem to work like that. So you're going to have to continue to insert, I assume. If I insert more to my table, it may be easier to take off than it is to add to. This is a table inside of a table. That's what this is. I wanted to get rid of that one. Could I delete it? Let's see if it'll delete. Things don't. Nothing here works just exactly like the rest of it. Okay, you can delete them, so it's probably better to go ahead and put in many, and then delete.